It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. This is gonna be a pretty quick video. I just got my FabFitFun box and I wanted to unbox it with you guys because I love to do these every season. I do this every time I get one, and it's a quarterly subscription box. It's $49.99 quarterly, obviously, and it's seasonal, so basically summer, fall, winter, spring, and they're all themed around the season. So I wanted to unbox mine with you guys so you guys can see what I got. I love FabFitFun so much. It is the only subscription I am currently a part of. I've done other subscriptions in the past, but this is my absolute favorite one, and it's the one that it's the only one I'm doing now. One thing I really admire about FabFitFun is they really try and highlight different charities. They like support different good causes. I don't really know how to define it, but basically this box is in support of the Special Olympics, and I think that's really cool to kind of shed some light on that. And inside the box they always include a magazine that like basically tells you about whatever it is that the box is in support of that month, that quarter. It's cool because they always feature a woman on the cover, and they like talk about them, and typically they're usually really good like influences and stuff. So I don't know, this is just a really good, I love what FabFitFun stands for, and you're able to like customize what you get in your box, which is amazing because like if I'm paying money for something, I would rather be able to choose what I get, and I can do that with FabFitFun. So I really appreciate that. Also tells you everything in the magazine, what you could have got, and like details on it and all of that, and like I said, story on the Special Olympics, and you know, it's just a really good read. It's something that I really actually think is a good addition to the box. Most of the time those kind of things are like boring, you know, but this one actually has good information most of the time. The other thing in here is a $50 credit to Bright Cellars, which I think is a wine subscription of some sort or something. It's my dog, by the way. Yeah, I'm not sure. Usually I don't even like pay attention to these because they're not applicable. They're not applicable. Is that the right word? I think that's what I'm trying to say. They're not applicable to me because I live overseas. So they have a Green Chef this month. Normally it is Hello Fresh, so Green Chef must be trying to make its way in there too. And here's the box. I did kind of peek through it, but I haven't opened everything yet, so I'm really excited to open everything up with you guys to get a better look. I just saw like the items I have, but I haven't actually opened everything up and looked at them. Here's my box. They also do add-ons every time they're about to release a box, so you can buy additional things on like a really good discounted price. And I got a purse that I've been using. It looks really cool. And I also got these Pixie makeup melting cleansing cloths, which I actually regret purchasing because it's been a while. I feel like it's been a while since like they had this, and since then I have been like committing to try not to use makeup wipes as much. This was like right before I kind of made that change. Anyways, I got those. First thing in the box here is this. I really want to open this because I was so tempted to open this. I know what it is because like I said, I was able to customize my box, and I am so excited to see this in person. And this is Michael Kors. Oh my god, like can you freaking believe that there's Michael Kors in this? Like I'm so excited about this. It's even better. Oh my god, oh my god. So this is Michael Kors like passport kind of situation. You could really even use this as like a wallet. Like honestly, this is gonna be so perfect for traveling. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited about this. You know, really good quality. Sometimes the choices are like, oh, not that great, and then like only one is like kind of I want, where it's like all the stuff I really wanted and it's hard to choose which one I want. There's always gonna be things in subscription boxes that you're like, oh, that wasn't my favorite thing, but everything else kind of makes it worth it, you know? This retails for $78. That's crazy. Did I even open it up for you guys all the way? It's got like tons of little slots for credit cards, and you can put your ID here and your passport, and this is so cool. I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this. Next thing in my box, let's go with this right here. Did you guys even see that? I don't know, but we're going with this. This is the Silked Satin Pillow Sleeve, and I am So excited for this. I don't even think you guys can understand. This is a silk. I don't know if it's like actual silk. 100% polyester satin charmeuse. Charmeuse? Does that mean it's not actual like real silk? I don't know, you guys. It's like this. It's like a silk pillowcase. Actually, it's like a sleeve. So I'm interested to try this out. Looks like this. It's a good like neutral silvery kind of color. The reason why I'm so excited about this is because I tend to sleep on only one side of my face. I sleep on my side a lot, basically. On this side, on my left side of my face. And I get texture on my face sometimes. I think just because like I'm always sleeping on that side of my face. I think that my pillowcase will like absorb the oils and stuff. So I'm interested to see if this will react any differently, you know? Also, hair. Great for the hair. It's great for the hair and the skin. And the biggest thing I think is the hair. Because I am a go to bed with the wet hair kind of person. Like I go to bed with wet hair all the time. So super excited to give that a try. Next thing, let's do this. This is a big thing. Big thing. This is the Isaac Mazzari Loves XO Sienna. Yeah, it's a vase. This is a really cute vase. This fits my theme of my background because it has pink. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's got something on the side. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it will come off. But it's just this like glazed part that's pink. And oh my god, this is super cute. I kind of wish this part was also glazed like just white, because you can tell it's just like clay. It's bare. It's got no paint or anything on it, basically. Oh, but the inside is glazed. I can see it's all totally glazed on the inside, so you could wash it, which is good. So yeah, this vase is super cute. I'm glad to have it. Retails for $28. The pillowcase retails for $29.50. I forgot to mention that. And you probably will see this in my background because it matches great. I have that whole like pink situation going on right now. Right here in the corner. This is by Winky Lux. I'm not super excited to have this, but we'll see how it works out. This is the Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil, and it retails for $16. There's usually like 2 or 3 things that you don't choose and that FabFitFun chooses for you in the box. So this is one of those items that I wasn't able to customize. I don't know why I didn't mention that in the beginning. Most of the box is customizable. And the 3 things that I got out of these choices that FabFitFun chose was the Winky Lux Brow Pencil, the Splint Gel Hand Cream, and the Taraco... oh, it's a foot cream. It's Sicilian Blood Oranges, which actually I'm really excited to try because I have super dry feet and I love orange scented, like citrus orange. Really excited to try that actually. Anyways, the Winky Lux brow thing has a spoolie on one end, and then it's a universal eyebrow pencil, which I'm not a fan of. And it's also the teardrop shape. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. It's a teardrop shape. Not a fan of the shape, not a fan of universal brow pencils because like, I don't know, I just feel like they just never look quite right. I mean, they definitely work, but they're just not my favorite, let's just say that. However, I will say, this packaging by Winky Lux, oh my god, freaking adorable. Like this little, oh my god, it looks so cute with the like gold. Also, I'm really into purple right now. So this foot cream is the Sicilian Blood Orange scent. I really want to smell this right now. Oh my god. You got, oh my god, it's like straight oranges. Oh, if you don't like oranges, you won't like this, but oh, it's a little bit methanol-y smelling though. Oh, which makes sense. Methanol, and it says it has methanol in it too. Such an interesting smell. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna be using that. Super excited about that. And then we have the Sponge Gel Coconut Verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil hand cream. I will be using this, but I'm not going to open it right now. It's got a little tab thing, which is good because I have others that are open. But I am excited to try this because I love Sponge Gels. Sponge Gels, the body wash thing that they have. If you guys have never seen it, it's really cool. It's like a loaded sponge that has soap in it, and you can use it like a lot in your shower. It's awesome. I love them. Next thing I got in my box was the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. And this is one thing I'm actually, you know, you'd think I'd be excited for it because it's Kate Somerville, which is a really good skincare brand. However, I think the thing is that I didn't really like the other choices. And looking at it now, I wish I would have chose something else. I truly don't know why I chose this. I don't know, goat milk? It kind of freaks me out. Maybe I was thinking I could give it to someone or something, but yeah, I mean, it's a moisturizer. And the last thing in here is this puppy. Ooh, it feels nice. Here it is, you guys. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. This is a bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. Honestly, you can use this as just like a purse for the summer. This is so adorable. So this is a straw bag. It says everyday straw bag. You have a really cute little scarf bow here. You could totally take this off and use it in your hair. Yeah, you can definitely remove it. And then this actually feels like pretty good quality. I will say it's a tiny bit smaller than I would like. I wish it was like a little bit bigger because like if I was to use this for the beach, my towel would take up a lot of this space. But it does have a lining on the inside. It has a little zipper pocket. It has a little clamp here. It's a pretty cute summer bag, so I'm happy with it. Wish it was a little bigger, but I like it. Now retails for $75. Would not pay for $75 for it. I will say that. All right, guys, so that's everything that I got in my box. I'm sufficiently happy with it. Not my favorite box that I've ever gotten, but I really like it. I definitely think it's worth the money. It's like, this is my favorite thing, I think, in here. I'm so excited to use this. How stupid is this? Like, it's such an unnecessary thing, but I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I talked really fast, but I don't want this to be like a super long video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I said video about 6 times. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
At the boys looking so good, so when they walk by, 'cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with